Frame it all accessory kits can be combined and connected in the following ways. A single animal barrier kit can be used to surround a 4x4 garden. 2 animal barrier kits can be stacked on top of each other. An animal barrier kit and a veggie wall can be connected so that a veggie wall is on top of your animal barrier. 2 animal barrier kits can be connected to have side-by-side doors. A curved structure can be surrounded with curved segments of animal barrier. And 2-foot sections can be used to surround your 2x2 garden. The veggie wall kit can be used to surround all sides of a 4x4 garden and also be connected on curved sides as well when purchasing the curved kit. A single cold frame extendable greenhouse kit can be put on top of a 4x4 raised garden bed. You can extend this with additional kits in a straight line. The Warm It All box can be sunk down into the soil at any part of your raised garden bed.